Hi, I'm Kiki from KikaGoods. Today we are going to unbox Laura Animal Refrigerator Magnets What in the Zoo series blind box. Before diving in, don't forget to hit subscribe button in the lower right corner for more unboxing reviews. I'm really happy that Laura has transformed into different animals this time. And each one has a very interesting name. So curious about what's in the zoo. Now let's open these up. As we can see, even the single box is so cute. We know that this series includes 16 regular styles, 2 hidden styles, and 8 surprise styles, and they are all incredibly cute. Today, we'll showcase some of them. We're going to see which one my first box is right now. Look at this. We are starting with the angry calf. This is a really cute one. As we can see, it has a cow costume. Despite its small size, the details are very exquisite, and the material has a nice sheen. I really love its little expression. Slightly pouty yet still adorable. I don't know if you've noticed, but it also has blush on its cheeks. Besides, these 2 cute little ears have also captured my heart. And the arms cross pose is so adorable. It's truly an adorable little calf. Okay, this is the second one. Wow, this is Soda Bear. It has brown color, like the color of cola. Unlike the first one, this one is made of semi-transparent material. Oh, I got it. It is actually a special color style. If you look at the bottom, it has a small hole design, which is really interesting, because it can be used as both a fridge magnet and a pen cap. In my opinion, it's extremely cute. We're going to open box number 3. This is a regular style, our wrestling Mistura. I want to say it's so cute. From this pose, you can tell it really took a wrestling. I love its chubby cheeks, which are irresistible. And you'll notice this one also has a hole design. To be honest, I really like this design. It's very creative. And I believe you'll also like it as much as I do. Oh look, I almost forgot the most important part. There is magnetic design on their heads, which means you can stick them anywhere, anytime. What a wonderful design. Next one. Wow, it's so cute. I am obsessed with its color. We call it the Snoring Lion. As we can see, it has golden hair. Very handsome. I didn't expect Laura could snore with her eyes open. Now, I really want to see what the sleepy koala looks like. The little tail at the back is also incredibly cute. If you like this little lion, just take it home. Okay, next one. Oh, we have the one I wanted. See what I meant? It's the second special one. The color is Taro purple, which is soft and gentle, and it looks really nice paired with this transparent material. It sits obediently, looking very cute. Because of the transparent material, look here, I can even see the magnets inside. I'm really looking forward to seeing the next animal now. This one. Wow, a cute yellow duck. Oh, I just didn't open it. Maybe I need a pair of scissors instead. In this series, some figures have rotating heads, including this one. Its head can rotate 360 degrees. The little duck takes small steps, using its outstretched arms to balance its body. It looks like it's about to stumble. Here, its little tail behind is also adorable. It's a little duck that still needs more practice walking. Do you like it? Okay, let's continue. This one, although it's a regular style, looks really nice. The details on this alligator are fantastic, and its expression is very cute. I'm kind of excited that it can also be used as a pen cap. In a word, I really love this little figure. Okay, this might be the last one today. Wow, this is a little elephant with big ears. Here it seems to be greeting us from this pose. In this series, each one has a distinctive pose, which is something I really like about them. Finally, I want to say they're not only practical but also help you guys learn about many animals. So I definitely recommend this series if you like animals. Thank you so much for watching our blind box unboxing video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your fellow collectors. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more unboxing content. This is Kiki from KikaGoods. See you next time.